Hi, Miss Divina. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day. I am Miss Divina Bibalua. I am 37 years old. I live in Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. I am married.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 kids. My firstborn is 16 years old. My secondborn is 10 years old. My thirdborn is a girl. She is 5 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
We have 5 siblings. We have 2 boys, 3 girls, and I am the youngest among them all.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
My educational background is I am undergraduate. The reason is my parents cannot afford my tuition fee.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I've been in Dubai last 2011-2012. I care a baby, a kids, and also I help my employer how to cook Arabic food, and I wash clothes, cooking, and others. And the second place is I've been in Kuwait 4 years. I care a special child. I wash clothes, cooking, Arabic foods, and also I help the kids to go to school and also their homework. And my third place is I've been in Hong Kong. That's 2024, 2025. I care newborn baby, and I help them how to feed and to care. Also the one boy, I went go back in this I help her to go back in the school and send back home, and also help her how to do him homework, and also I play with the kids. Also I cook Chinese food like steamed fish, um, food, vegetables, and how to cook rice. Also, I wash clothes, cleaning the house, and uh, to help my employer other work. But I'm not finished contract in a good reason because my husband want to take away my kids, and my employer allow me to send back home in the Philippines. That's all.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and also I do my best to impress my employer.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have, sir.
Okay. Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work in abroad to help my kids, to help my kids and my family.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Give me your idea how can you take care a naughty children and children with tantrums?
I For that case, sir, stay patient and kind, and also I help the kids how to calm, to show them. I want to play them so that she's not he or she's not going to to tantrum, sir. I help her to make it calm.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hired me as a domestic helper in your country, I will do my best. I am hardworking. If you have rules in your house, I will do my best to follow that. As long as we are safety all, and I promise that I will finish my contract. As long as if you want me to stay in your home, I will stay. Thank you, ma'am, sir.